Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this infographic in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide in PowerPoint. Here we go. The next thing you have to do is just insert two rectangles and put this right here. And we're just going to connect them using a rhombus. After doing this, what we're going to do is make sure that both of these are connected. Then we're just gonna insert this arrow here. And what we're gonna do is cut it. Here we go. Let's cut it in half as well. Then what you have to do is just change the colors. Here we go. Then let's just change the colors like this. And after that, what you have to do is add your text, the title. Now let's just insert other as well. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also make sure that you comment down. And if you want this free video and the template, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ask in the comments to send the template.